Now, you can easily request and track returns of products to Clover Imaging Group. First, you need to log into your cloverimaging.com web user account. Once logged in, on the right side toolbar, click on RMA in the My Tools section. The RMA page will show you all the previously requested RMAs and allow you to create a new one. To create a new RMA, simply click on the Create New RMA button. On the Create New MR page, you can add as many products to a single RMA request as you need. You will need a valid Clover product barcode to proceed. Clover product barcodes can be found on the cartridge. Once you enter the barcode, the website will verify that barcode is in our database. Once verified, the confirmation message and product name will be displayed. You can then proceed to add that product to the RMA. Make sure you fill in the reason for returning the product and a description of the issue. Optionally, you can upload any documents that relate to this return. Once you fill in all the details, add the product to this RMA request by clicking the Add Item to RMA button. This item is now on the list for this RMA request. From here, you can add more products to the same list or complete the RMA request. To complete the RMA request, click on the Submit button. Once submitted, you will also receive an automated email that confirms your request. At any time, you can log into the cloverimaging.com website and track the status of your RMA on the RMA page. If this tutorial has not answered your question, or if you require additional assistance, you can use the live chat feature found on the bottom right-hand corner of cloverimaging.com or email us at websupport@cloverimaging.com.